Become a language detective, describing famous personalities in English. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our exciting journey of learning English. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting aspect of conversational English, describing famous people. We're specifically focusing on how to talk about their personality traits. This skill can be really useful when you're having conversations about pop culture, historical figures, or just playing guessing games with your friends. So, let's start with understanding what we mean by personality traits. Personality traits are characteristics that form an individual's distinctive character. For instance, a person can be honest, loyal, friendly, arrogant, shy, or stubborn. By using these traits, we can paint a verbal picture of someone's personality, which helps others to understand what kind of person we're talking about. Here's an exercise for you. Try to describe your favorite celebrity using 3 personality traits. Take a moment to think about it. Now, let's move on to some role-playing. Imagine you're describing a famous person to a friend who doesn't know them. For example, if we're describing Mother Teresa, we might say, "She was incredibly compassionate, deeply spiritual, and remarkably selfless." For practice, try to describe these famous personalities. 1. Martin Luther King Jr. 2. Marilyn Monroe. 3. Albert Einstein. Remember to use the personality traits that you think best describe them. To make our lesson more fun, let's play a game of Guess Who? One person describes a famous personality using their personality traits, and the others have to guess who it is. Remember, the key is not to mention their name, profession, or other well-known specifics, only their personality traits. For example, this person is ambitious, innovative, and can be secretive at times. Answer: Steve Jobs. She is known for being confident, talented, and a true iconoclast. Answer: Madonna. You can play this game with your friends or classmates. It's a fun way to practice describing people in English. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you found this video about describing famous people in English helpful. Don't forget to practice regularly, as that's the best way to improve your language skills. Feel free to leave comments about how you would describe your favorite personalities. Stay curious, keep exploring, and continue your exciting journey with English. Until next time, happy learning!